Today we are going to discuss Kirchhoff's law. In previous circuits, we evaluated current and voltage in a simple circuit with the help of Ohm's law, and the calculation of voltages and current in a complex circuit is calculated with the help of Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law is one of the most important portion of the physics as well as current and electricity. Kirchhoff's first law or junction rule. Kirchhoff's first law states that sum of all the currents entering any point or junction must be equal to the sum of all currents leaving that point or junction. In other hand, it may be stated as the algebraic sum of all the currents meeting at a point or junction in a closed electrical circuit is 0. That is sigma I इक्वल टू 0. किसी भी जंक्शन या पॉइंट पर जो टोटल करंट है उसका एल्जेब्राइक सम ये 0 होता है. जंक्शन या पॉइंट, तो जंक्शन या पॉइंट कोई डायग्राम ये हम ऐसा कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. दिस इज a junction point at which all the currents are meeting, जहां वो मिल रही हैं. Here I1, I2 and I3 are the three currents flowing through resistors R1, R2 and R3 respectively are flowing towards the junction, while the two currents I4 and I5 flowing through R4 and R5 are flowing away from junction. For sign convention, it is considered that current flowing towards the junction is considered as positive and current leaving the junction or flowing away from junction is treated as negative. And in total, it is written as sigma I equal to 0. If we use this diagram, then we may get I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to I4 plus I5. Total current flowing towards junction must be equal to total current flowing away from junction. Means there is no any accumulation of charge at the junction. In this way, I1 plus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 equal to 0. This equation may be written as sigma I equal to 0, which is stated earlier. This first law or junction rule is based on the conservation of charge. Kirchhoff's second law, or it is also named as Kirchhoff's loop law or simply loop law or voltage law. Kirchhoff's voltage law. It states that the algebraic sum of all voltages, that is the potential differences across all elements and EMFs of all sources in any closed electrical circuit is 0. Mathematically, it may be written as summation of E plus summation of delta V equal to 0. For sign convention, in a closed loop or circuit, we consider there are two sign convention, one for delta V, another one for EMF. For first EMF, if we travel in a circuit A to V through a source of EMF, if we are moving in the circuit from A to V, then EMF will be positive. Means if we reaches at negative terminal first and later on positive terminal, then EMF will be positive. If इसका जो दूसरा पार्ट है, if we travel from A to V and we reaches at positive terminal first and then on negative terminal, then EMF E will be negative. ये इसको याद रखना है कि अगर नेगेटिव टर्मिनल पहले अपीयर हो रहा है, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल बाद में, तो हम ईएमएफ को पॉजिटिव कंसीडर करेंगे, और अगर पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल पहले अपीयर हो रहा है, नेगेटिव टर्मिनल बाद में, तो हम ईएमएफ को नेगेटिव कंसीडर करेंगे. इन द सेम वे फॉर डेल्टा बी, और दिस इज करंट I flows from A to B, and if we are moving in the circuit as in the direction of current A to B, हम ये करंट की डायरेक्शन भी A to B है, और हम जंक्शन में ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं, मूव कर रहे हैं इक्वेशन राइट करने के लिए, तो A to B अगर हम कंसीडर कर रहे हैं अपने लूप को, तो जो प्रोडक्ट होगा I एंड R का वो पॉजिटिव होगा. और if we travel in a junction from A to B, but current is opposite to the direction of motion or direction of sign convention, then I and R, product of I and R, here it will be negative because we are moving from A to B, while current is direction of conventional current in the circuit is in the direction of B to A. Therefore, I and R will be negative. Thus, sign convention in this Kirchhoff's first and second law is one of the most important factor by which we may calculate a complex circuit. We may resolve complex circuits. Kirchhoff's second law is based on the law of conservation of energy. Kirchhoff's first law is based on the conservation of charge.